Nextel focuses on supporting the teacher in the classroom. As classrooms become more and more technology-rich, teachers can gain access to new kinds of data in almost real time. For instance, students' understanding can be gauged with audience response systems, or so-called clickers. And by using virtual learning environments such as Moodle or the Google Cloud application, it is quite straightforward for a teacher to find out at any time how far students are with their work, including homework. The increasing availability of such kind of technologies now allows schools to address what we call the fragmentation problem. It takes two forms. Fragmentation of knowledge, the fact that knowledge is taught in disciplinary silos, math only in math lessons, French only in French lessons. But we know from expert novice research, as well as brain research, that competent performance requires coordination, integration, and indeed harmonization of a range of cognitive and non-cognitive functions. Mathematical reasoning is a good example here. The second form is fragmentation of learning over time. Developing competencies requires time, often months and sometimes years. Think, for instance, of second language acquisition. Hence, teachers need to monitor what students learn and do over months and years, but currently are not well equipped to do that. Nextel builds on insights from expert novice research and lifelong learning research regarding the nature of competence development. We want to achieve that teachers have available holistic and comprehensive information on their students' learning as it unfolds over the school years. From the technical point of view, our solution takes the form of an advanced e-portfolio system that is integrated with a competence modeling tool. We believe that digital learning portfolios are a key technology for 21st century learning in schools, as they provide a link to tertiary and lifelong learning. The Nextel e-portfolio supports automatic upload of learning evidences across different tools that are used frequently in schools today. For instance, any action taken in Moodle or one of the Google apps can be automatically recorded and uploaded. Each e-portfolio entry can be related to one or more competencies, which are managed in an open learner model. With this software, measures of proficiency can be updated by teachers, peer and self-assessment. Competence development is visualized in multiple forms. For selected areas of STEM and language learning, Nextel also performs automatic assessment of e-portfolio entries. Another innovative aspect is that any assessment can be scrutinized by and negotiated between the users, using a specifically designed software called Cognito. This is important for sharing assessments among stakeholders, including parents, but also for the continuous improvement of assessment methods. All Nextel methods are web-based and only require a web browser. They are developed in cooperation with teachers and trialed in their classrooms. We are focusing on STEM and second language learning in these classrooms. Let us look into the future. In the Nextel school, teachers will use our methods and tools collectively to plan for teaching that cuts across different subject matter domains. For instance, second languages will be practiced in many contexts, not only in the language class. Teams of teachers will analyze students' learning data with state-of-the-art methods, and they will use these findings to continuously improve their teaching. Students will be exposed to a wide range of opportunities for practicing complex skills. They are involved in the planning of their learning, and they have a voice in the assessment of their performance. In short, the Nextel School will be a 21st century organization.